Department of Health Services in the final stages of launching a statewide vaccination registration website.
The state has contracted with Microsoft to create an online registry for the COVID-19 vaccine that will connect residents to vaccinators near them that have available shots. The site is expected to launch in 10 communities around the state the week of February 15th. The city of Milwaukee's health department will begin vaccinating people who are 65 years and older this coming Monday. The system for seniors to sign up for vaccination is also expected to finally be up and running. But we are learning the barriers the health department has had to overcome in terms of this vaccine rollout. Our Angelica Sanchez joining us live now from City Hall to explain more.
Hey, Stephanie, the interim health commissioner was very honest about some of the challenges the health department has been facing during the pandemic, from a lack of resources to a lack of funding. Milwaukee's interim health commissioner Marlena Jackson says there have been difficulties in rolling out the COVID-19 vaccine in the city.
Some of the tools that I think we need to do our basic job, we just didn't have.
She says Milwaukee did not have an electronic medical record system.
One of the larger things that I think we should share is that being underfunded and being a health department that did not have an electronic medical record set up prior to the pandemic is an extreme barrier in doing this.
Last week, the state opened the COVID-19 vaccine to those 65 and older starting January 25th. But seniors in Milwaukee who want their vaccine through the health department can't yet register because the system to book an appointment won't be available until next week.
I do want to share just general disappointment that I feel that we've known a vaccine was coming for quite some time.
Alderwoman Marina Dimitrievich expressed disappointment during Thursday's Public Safety and Health Committee meeting.
Why couldn't we have had a registration system that we looked at a few months ago?
Jackson also told the committee the health department has been nimble while facing several challenges at once, including a large spike in cases a few months ago.
We continue to work the contact tracing. We continue to work our testing front and enforcement fronts.
Alderwoman Dimitrievich also raised concerns on whether the largest city in the state was receiving the proportional amount of vaccine. She did thank Jackson for her honesty on the difficulties of the vaccine rollout.
Thank you for telling it like it is and getting that out there on the record.
Right now, seniors in Milwaukee can go to healthymke.com and sign up for alerts on when that registration period begins. We will have a link to that website on our website, fox6now.com. For now, live outside City Hall, Angelica Sanchez, Fox 6 News.
It is nice to get that explanation, although it doesn't change the frustration that a lot of people are feeling right now. Angie, thank you.